Introduction to Python's max function. Max is a versatile built-in function in Python. It helps identify the maximum value among a set of values. These values can be numbers, strings, lists, tuples, or user-defined objects. Understanding the max function. Max returns the maximum value among the given arguments or items of an iterable. It can take two forms, max1 argv2 iterable. In the first form, it takes two or more arguments and returns the largest one. In the second form, it takes an iterable as an argument and returns the largest item in it. Example, numbers equals 1, 10, 5, 7, print output 10 using the key parameter with max. Max function also accepts a key parameter. The key parameter should be a function that takes a single argument and returns a key to compare the items by. This is useful when dealing with complex objects. Example, finding the dictionary with the maximum value for a specific key in a list of dictionaries. Common mistakes and tips when using max. Applying max to an empty iterable or not providing any arguments results in a value error. To avoid this, ensure that the iterable or the arguments provided are not empty. When comparing items of different types, max may raise a type error. To avoid type error, ensure that all items in the iterable are of the same type or can be compared with each other. When using the key parameter, ensure the key function is correctly defined and can be applied to every item in the iterable.